Welcome to Finpod, your essential daily financial digest. I am your host, Evan, and I am here to get you prepped for the trading day ahead. Whether you're catching us before the opening bell or after the market closes, we have you covered. Finpod is proudly brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from social media and AI-powered stock analysis. Let us jump right in. Traders are buzzing about a few specific names today. AXON Enterprise is seeing some significant movement, climbing about 5% in pre-market trading after a tough session yesterday. Google is also catching a bid, up 4%, as investors continue to digest the latest developments in the tech sector. DELL is another one to watch, showing strength with a 4% gain, and SATL is grabbing attention with a rally of over 7%. It looks like investors are hunting for value in these names before the bell rings. Turning to the broader market, U.S. futures are pointing toward a positive start to the session. We are seeing a bit of optimism overnight, with global markets showing resilience despite lingering questions about interest rate policy and geopolitical tensions. Investors are keeping a close eye on the calendar today, as a few key macro data points are expected to drop that could provide more clarity on inflation trends. The mood is cautiously optimistic, but as always, keep your eyes on the volume once we get underway. In the world of artificial intelligence, the pace of innovation and infrastructure spending remains relentless. We are seeing continued massive capital expenditure from the big cloud providers as they build out the data centers required to support the next generation of generative models. NVDA, Broadcom, and Micron continue to be the backbone of this infrastructure play, while Microsoft, Google, and Amazon remain locked in a fierce battle for AI supremacy in the cloud. On the private side, companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are pushing forward with new model capabilities, and we are seeing more focus on agents that can actually execute tasks rather than just generating text. It is a high-level chess game where the winners will be defined by their ability to scale efficiently. Moving to individual stocks, there is plenty of action outside of the main tech names. We are seeing some interesting movements in the retail and industrial sectors as analysts adjust their outlooks based on the latest quarterly readouts. There are a few companies seeing significant analyst rating changes today that are driving volatility, so make sure you are checking your alerts if you hold any major industrial or consumer-focused names. Looking at the earnings calendar, we have a few notable reports to keep on your radar. RPM International is reporting before the opening bell, and investors will be looking closely at their margins. Looking toward the close, Constellation Brands and PriceSmart are both set to release their numbers. For Constellation Brands, the market will be looking for guidance on consumer spending trends, while PriceSmart will likely be judged on its ability to manage supply chain costs. It is a busy day for earnings, so keep your positions managed. That is it for today. We covered the trending stocks on social media, the broader market outlook, the latest in the AI infrastructure race, and the key earnings reports to watch. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Finpod so you never miss an update. For detailed analysis and AI-powered stock insights, visit Fintwit.ai. Until next time.